Hello, my name is Natalia Alonso and I'm a researcher from the University of Santiago de Compostela. I'm here to present to you the article Online Digital Social Tools for Professional Self-Promotion, a state-of-the-art review. This paper discusses the use of the online digital social tools for job searching and the management of professional resources. This work is the result of the activities carried out by the International Network of Communications Management, which is supported by the Galician government, and a project from the Prometeo program that belongs to the Ecuadorian government. Both initiatives are managed by Francisco Campos Freire, professor at University of Santiago de Compostela, together with the Technical University of Loja and the Pontifical Catholic University of Ibarra in Ecuador, and the Worker Tutor Project, which is funded by the Spanish government. This article took place in the research group Novos Medios from the University of Santiago de Compostela in cooperation with the Institute for Business Training and Promotion.